Welcome to Shape Kingdom bright, filled with magic color light. Shapes are missing, where can they be? Come and search with you and me. Circle, circle, rolling fast, round and round it zooms right past. Square, square, standing tall, four straight sides equal all. Triangle, triangle, pointy and neat, three strong sides that cannot be beat. Rectangle, rectangle, long and wide, let's take a magical ride. Star, star, twinkle away, five bright points light the way. Heart, heart, full of cheer, spreading love to everyone near. Shape crystal shining bright, bring the kingdom back tonight. Circle and square, triangle, two, rectangle, star, heart for you. Put the shapes all together, learning shapes is fun forever. Circle, square, hip, hooray! Bye bye friends, see you soon. We'll be back with another tune.